Welcome to another unboxing video, where today we're taking an in-depth look at one of ResKit's latest offerings, the A-10C Thunderbolt II cockpit, set designed specifically for the Great Wall Hobby Kit in 1/48 scale. This basic edition cockpit upgrade promises to transform your A-10C model with exceptional detail and authenticity that ResKit is renowned for throughout the modeling community. This upgrade set comes equipped with high-resolution 3D decals that provide instrument panel details without requiring extensive hand painting. This makes it accessible to modelers of various skill levels while still delivering professional-grade results. For enthusiasts working on Vietnam War-era aircraft or modern close air support themes, this cockpit set provides the authentic foundation needed to create a truly impressive model. The A-10 Thunderbolt II's legendary durability and unique mission profile make it a fascinating subject for scale modeling. And this ResKit enhancement ensures your finished model reflects the aircraft's distinctive character and capabilities. This unboxing features the ResKit A-10C Thunderbolt II Cockpit, Detailed Edition, crafted specifically for the Great Wall Hobby 1/48 scale kit. Each component slots into the Great Wall Hobby cockpit tub flawlessly, ensuring minimal cleanup and a secure fit. The combination of resin, photo-etch, and 3D decals means your model will showcase a museum-quality cockpit worthy of close-up display. builders seeking the ultimate cockpit upgrade, this set delivers unmatched depth and realism. If you crave fine-scale accuracy down to the tiniest warning placard or switch guard, the Detailed Edition's multimedia approach is exactly what your A-10C Thunderbolt II deserves. Add this ResKit upgrade to your cart and transform your Great Wall Hobby Warthog into an authentic close air support masterpiece.